Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to backup WhatsApp chat to your iCloud drive on iPhone on iOS devices. So let's suppose guys, if you have to upgrade your iPhone or if you want to erase all content and setting of this iPhone, so guys you need to WhatsApp backup to iCloud drive. So keep watching this video until then. Open setting application appears on screen, tap on Apple ID name, and now tap on iCloud. Here's the interface guys. Simply tap on iCloud drive and make sure iCloud drive turn on from here, and now go back from here, tap on show all. Now scroll down and turn on WhatsApp feature from here. So guys, simply close this window and open WhatsApp application, and here is tap on setting and tap on chat backup. And now guys, here you can see now select the backup frequency here, auto backup, and select weekly, monthly, as you want to, daily. And after that simply go back from here and you can include your video, but after that simply tap on backup. Now my WhatsApp chat uploading to iCloud drive. So guys, backup has been completed. Now close WhatsApp application, and now guys, uninstall or delete WhatsApp application from your iPhone. So guys, simply tap on remove app. Now tap on delete app. So guys, let's suppose you have to reset all content and setting of your iPhone, or you have to change the iPhone, then install WhatsApp application there iPhone. So WhatsApp application has been installed. Open WhatsApp and tap on agree and continue, and enter the same WhatsApp number here. After entering number and verification, you will see this screen. Here you can see now guys that you have to backup your WhatsApp. Now restore it here. So guys, if you don't restore it here, you will not be able to restore your data again. So guys, simply restore chat history and restoring your chat from iCloud drive to your WhatsApp. So here you can see your WhatsApp message is restored successfully. Simply tap on next. Now write here your name or anything. Simply tap on done, and you can see your chat has been restored, and your media restoring step by step you can see appears on screen. You can see my chat recover successfully in my new WhatsApp application, and my backup successfully restored on my WhatsApp app. You can see appears on screen. My media also recover successfully in my app. So guys, and you can backup your WhatsApp chat inside your iCloud drive in this way. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.